What's up guys, my name is Chris and today I'm showing you guys how to make your videos into dreams. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get that video file that you recorded first off. You're going to drag it into Adobe After Effects, put it into a new comp, and from the new comp, you're actually just going to export right from there. So whenever you go to your export settings, you're going to go to your output module. You're going to click that, change it from lossless down to PNG sequence. Okay, and you export that. Just a quick little note here, EbSynth needs the keyframes and the video files to be the exact same resolution. After you do Deep Dream generation, you might have to re-encode your After Effects file, but at the end of the day, as long as they're the same resolution, they'll work just the same. What that's going to do is it's going to make a folder that's going to look a lot like this one right here. It's going to give you a PNG image of every individual frame that you have in there. I'm not going to do it for my 5-minute video because that is so many frames it's not even funny. You're going to want to have your video file, it doesn't matter where it is, but you're going to make sure all your keyframes are on the same one and make sure they're all in a line. So 000, 001, 002, so on and so forth. After Effects on export will already sequence these in the right order. Going from there, just pick out the right keyframes, throw them out, and you're good. Just for simplicity's sake, what we're going to do is we're going to use the sample video that EbSynth provides for us, which is just the video with the links looking to the side, looking head on, then looking back. So we can already see that gives us with 0 to 99. What we're going to do is we're going to select our keyframes. Now EbSynth provides a massive tutorial video that is so jam-packed full of information of how to use their technology. It's not even funny. I'm not even going to try to replicate that because that's a whole other video in of itself. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the keyframes. So for this one, for example, it's keyframe 99 and 000. So from there, you're going to take those, you're going to go to your internet browser, and you're going to go to the Deep Dream generator. So just go to deepdreamgenerator.com, and then you're going to want to sign up and start generating. One thing to note here, since Deep Dream generation takes so many resources away from their servers and their computers, they have different tiers set up based on how much you actually use it and how well you actually use it, honestly. So right there, I'm actually a member. I've only done 5 dreams and I have an account for 1 day. So it's nothing too crazy. For my style, since I'm a member, I get 2 medium deep styles, 5 HD thin styles, or 10 HD deep dreams. Now each of those is something completely different, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the generate and you're going to select deep style, thin style, or deep dream. So I'm going to go ahead and just select the link since I've already uploaded that one. And let's just go deep style. Let's just go deep style, and we're going to go with cold day this time. You're just going to come down here, you're going to click settings. And from there you have enhance resolution, depth, style weight, style settings, style scale, and preserve colors. Resolution, you're going to want to set this as high as you can. For a new account, it's just going to be normal. For my account, which is a member, I can click medium, actually go up to there. And after I get a certain number of likes, that 200 likes and like 20 deep dreams, I can select HD, which is just going to be 720p, but it's still workable. Going down to medium though, we're just going to click generate and we wait. Now all the Deep Dream generator is taking these keyframes and making them into dreams. What you're going to do is you're going to go to ebsynth.com. All these links will be in the description down below. And you're going to just download. And from there, you're going to go to your download source file. You're going to unzip the thing. I'm not going to do it since I already have it. And it'll give you, not all this. This is something I've actually had open for a little bit. You're going to go to sample project, and it's going to give you 2 folders, keys and video. If you go into keys, it'll give you the 2 keyframes that it wants you to use. These are the best 2 keyframes out of the entire video. And that first folder that I went to the first time, the video one where it has every frame from the video. All right, and our Deep Dream is done. So with that, let's jump back into it, and here's what we got. With this, you see the links has a very defined back, the face, and that's really cool. So what we're gonna do is right-click, save image as, links. I'm pretty sure I just botched that spelling, and then links 000. So from there, we're gonna do that all over again with the next keyframe. So we're gonna go back, generate, cold day, and then you're gonna upload keyframe 999, or 990, 099, whichever one it is, you're gonna do that last one. Back to waiting. Something really important to know about the Deep Dream generator is it takes a while because it is a neural network working together. This is a large combination of servers and computers and all this other technical jargon that I genuinely don't know how to explain well. All I know is that it does it, but it takes a little while because there's so much processing power behind it. You very well could make your own Deep Dream generator yourself with your own rigs and stuff like that, but it's not going to have the same rig and same power and everything that this does. It will take a lot longer by using your own rig, but you have more control over it, and you can keep one going one after another, after another, after another, with no limit on file size, with no limit on resolution, no limit on anything like that. And I'll provide a link in the description down below of how to do that for you tech-savvy people who want to try to do that thing that I'm not going to even attempt to do because it is just too much for me. And after it's done generating, this is what we have. This actually looks pretty cool, honestly. So we're going to right-click this guy, we're going to save image as, and we're going to say, just copy from our links 00, and we're going to links 99. Enter from there, and now we get to the fun stuff. So after you finish the download, you're going to want to open EbSynth Alpha. From there, it's going to pop up this window, which I'm going to explain in just a second. I'm also going to open up the sample project here and open up EbSynth on top of that like I should have done the first time. Then I'm going to actually rename the links photos to be 000 099. Okay, let's just do it the first time. I'm going to drag and drop those into the keys folder. I'm going to go ahead and replace the ones that are in there already. Then we're going to bring back EbSynth. We're going to drop the keys right over the little keyframes thing, and it's going to take that as our directory. We're going to do the same thing in the video, just dragging and dropping the whole folder on top of it. Then we're going to go down here to this little keyframe section. We're going to go ahead and add an extra keyframe, and we're just going to use the names of the keyframes we have. So we have keyframe 000 and keyframe 009. No, 099. My bad. And then to the left and right, you have certain stops there. So keyframe stop for 0 would be 0 at the very beginning, and then 99 would be the very end. And same thing on this one. You can do it at whatever values that you want to do. You could do it at 0 to 33 and then 99 down to 33. But just for simplicity's sake, I'm doing them both to 99, 99. Now the output, you're going to want to make sure this is specified here, because if you put them onto the same one, they're just going to pile them onto the same things and you're not going to be able to tell them apart. I mean, you will be able to tell them apart, but they just will be too jumbled up and it's going to be a pain in the butt. So what you're going to do is you're going to just do output dash 00. And essentially for this next one, you're going to copy the exact same thing. So out dash 99. So with that, that's really it. You're just going to click run all and it's going to go through this. So on this point, we literally just wait for the next 5, 10, 15 minutes for this to finish up. I forgot to mention this, but there's this one option for mask right below the video and keyframes. What you can do is you can do a Luma mask or any type of mask that you want in After Effects. Using the same video file, export that as its own while it's a PNG, and it will just work the same. And it'll literally just mask around whatever you have. So for example, in the links video, if we would have masked around the links, it would just have the links being EbSynth. Well, the background is just not there at all. The main reason I didn't do that is just because I'm lazy. That's really it. All right, now that's finally done loading, what we're gonna do is we're gonna close that. We're gonna go back into our folder. Just check it out. Just look at 0 right here. And if you go all the way through them all, you just see the progression going into it. You're gonna wanna open up Premiere also while we're doing this. All right, so from those two, I'm gonna take the 99 folder. I'm gonna drag that into Premiere and drop it in there. You're gonna go into the folder, you're gonna select all, and then you're gonna go down here to this little button, automate to sequence, this little button down here. You're just gonna click selection order, override edit. Then it's gonna start with use in and out range. You're gonna deselect that. You're gonna select frames per still. And originally it's gonna say 30, but since I've done this before, it automatically says 1 frame because we want each of these to be a single frame. So selecting that, and from there we're gonna click fit, put this to screen, and here's what we came up with. I love this. I've been wanting to do this for well over a year now. There's never been a good way to do it. I don't know, just seeing this actually be able to happen, it just makes me so happy. Just the fact that this is possible now, starting with this normal links video, going to this like cool, like ice looking one, and jumping straight into Van Gogh's Starry Night style. It is just insane. I love it. I love this whole thing. It is absolutely insane. All right, and that's how you use EbSynth, the Deep Dream generator in After Effects to create this great thing. At the end of the day, I'm just really glad we actually got this done. It actually works like I wanted it to. This is everything I wanted it to be. So I'm just so ecstatic that this actually worked and everything. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click up here for a list of tutorials that I have, and over here is a video that YouTube is recommending to you. So I don't actually know what's over there. So good luck with that. And with that being said, I love you all. Click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys.